The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Divisions proudly presents The Sounds of the Game, where all Boilermaker fans can relive the exciting sounds of the game.
Lewis comes down right side, drives to the corner. Anthony Johnson shoots a three. Bullseye at the horn. Rebounded in the corner by Bird. He comes down the sideline to Jackson. Jackson to Bird. Bird drives in and reverses it up and in. Bird. Boilermakers down with the ball. Anthony Johnson, a three ball. Good from the top of the circle. Now into the corner. Man open, but he won't shoot. That's Hummel. Now Bird will shoot a three. Good! Bird! Outside right. Jackson through traffic. Goes around his man to the corner. Hummel shoots a three. Bullseye! Robbie Hummel, thank you very much. His first triple of the game. Now Jackson into the corner to Hummel. Hummel shoots. Makes it! Baseline left. 8.1 seconds left. Timeout. Northwestern.
The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Division is a proud partner of the Purdue Boilermakers and want to put the brakes on distracted driving.